Welcome to this short guide on managing situation report types and statuses on the system. In this guide we will cover the following topics: how to manage situation report types, and how to manage situation report statuses. Here's how it works. Should you have the required permissions, navigate to the Situation Report Type screen by selecting the Add Type option under the Situation Report module from the left-hand side of the screen. On this page you are able to add new situation report types, or edit or delete existing types. To add a new type, navigate to the left-hand side of the page to the Create New Type tile. In the appropriate fields, enter the type name, the preferred type hex color and icon, and if you would like, you can add a type description. To save the new report type to the system, click the Save button. A green banner will appear once the new type is successfully saved to the system. To edit or delete a situation report type, navigate to the right-hand side of the page to the existing types. To edit a type, select the corresponding Edit button. To delete a type, simply click the corresponding Delete button and confirm your choice. If you have the required permissions, navigate to the Situation Report Statuses screen by selecting the Add Status option under the Situation Report module from the left-hand side of the screen. On this page you are able to add new situation report statuses, or edit or delete existing statuses. To add a new status, navigate to the left-hand side of the page to the Create New Status tile. In the appropriate fields, enter the status name and the position in which the status will appear on the View Reports page, for example first, second or third. To save the new report status to the system, click the Save button. A green banner will appear once the new status is successfully saved to the system. To edit or delete a situation report status, navigate to the right-hand side of the page to the existing statuses. To edit a status, select the corresponding Edit button. And once satisfied, click the Save button. To delete a status, simply click the corresponding Delete button and confirm your choice.